Perimeter and area. Perimeter. The length of the boundary of a closed figure is called the perimeter of the plane figure. The units of perimeter are same as that of length, for example, meter, centimeters, millimeters, etc. Area. A part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a plane region, and the measurement of plane region enclosed is called its area. Area is measured in square units. Perimeter and area of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle equals 2 times L plus B. Area of rectangle equals L times B. L and B are the length and breadth of rectangle. Diagonal of rectangle equals square root L square plus B square. Perimeter and area of the square. Perimeter of square equals 4 times S. Area of square equals S times S. Diagonal of square equals S square root 2. S is the side of square. Perimeter and area of a triangle. Perimeter of triangle equals A plus B plus C. A, B, C are 3 sides of a triangle. Area of triangle equals square root S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. S equals a half, A plus B plus C. Area of triangle I equals half times B times H, B base H height. Area of an equilateral triangle I equals a square square root 3, 4. AB is the side of triangle. Application of formulas to find perimeter and area of square and a rectangle region. Example 1. Find the perimeter and area of a square whose side is 12 centimeters. Length of the side equals 12 centimeters. Perimeter of the field equals 4 times side. 4 times 12. 48 centimeters. Area of a square equals side times side. 12 times 12. 144 centimeters square. Example 2. Find the perimeter and area of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 8 centimeters.